Hi, my name is Jessica Gilberti and I'm the founder of Qentoros. I'm actually also a professor of microbiology and immunology at the VIA College of Osteopathic Medicine in Blacksburg, Virginia. Qentoros is a company that is going to be bringing a biologic to the market. We're going to start out in the equine veterinary market. That's horses, for those of you that don't know the science term for horses. And this biologic is going to harness the power of platelets. So we actually take these factors from platelets and put them back at sites of chronic infection or chronic inflammation to improve those chronic diseases in horses. We eventually hope to hit the small animal market and eventually humans way down the line. Recently we were accepted into the RAMP program based out of Roanoke. We're really excited to be part of the cohort because we want to get some more ideas of customer discovery. There's a lot of avenues that we can take this technology, and knowing which one we should hit first and which one we should hit second would be really impactful for us.